Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. With the name of Allah, who is very kind and merciful. Welcome to KingCambridgeSolution.com. On this website, you will find the solution of past paper for the Cambridge International AS and A level. Today, I shall explain some question of paper 3, Pure Mathematics, session by June 2025, variant 2. If you need PDF or video file for the any paper, you can contact on this WhatsApp number. Each paper price is 300 only. Let's start for the question number 1. Solve the equation e raised to power x plus 2 e raised to minus x over e raised to x minus 3 equal to 4. Give your answer correct to the 3 decimal places. In the solution section, first of all, the given question is e raised to power x plus 2 e raised to minus x over e raised to x minus 3 equal to 4. By using the power principle, we can write e raised to minus x as 2 over e raised to power x. After simplification, we get e raised to power 2x plus 2 over e raised to power 2x minus 3 e raised to x equal to 4. The further simplification gave us 3 e raised to power 2x minus 12 e raised to x minus 2 equal to 0, equation number 1. Put e raised to power x equal to 2 by putting e raised to x equal to t in the equation number 1, we get 3t square minus 2t minus 2. 3t square minus 12t minus 2 equal to 0. By using the quadratic formula, we get minus into minus 12 plus minus 12 square minus 4 into 3 into minus 2 over 2 into 3. After simplification, we get t equal to 6 plus minus 42 under root over 3. The further simplification gave us t equal to 4.16. As t is equal to e raised to power x, as we have put in the previous steps, so e raised to x equal to 4.16. By taking ln on both sides and after simplification, we get x equal to 1.426. Question number 2, expand 6 minus x into 1 minus 2x 4 minus 3 by 2 and ascending power of x up to and including the terms x. Okay, simplify the coefficient. Part B state the zeta value of x for which the expansion is valid. Question number 3, on an organ diagram, shade the region whose point represents complex number z which satisfy both the inequalities z minus 3 modulus less than or equal to 2 and pi by 4 less than or equal to argument z minus 1 minus 2i less than or equal to 3 pi by 4. For question number 4, solve the equation 3 cot x minus 4 cot 2x equal to 3 for 0 less than x less than or equal to 180. For question number 3, the square root of minus 1 minus 4 5 under iota can be expressed in Cartesian form x plus iota y where x and y are real and exact. By first formatting a quadratic equation in x or y, find the square root of minus 1 minus 4 5 under iota. Question number 6, by sketching a suitable pair of graphs, show that the equation x minus 2 modulus equal to sine x by 2 has only one root in the interval 0 less than x less than or equal to pi. Part B is show by calculation that this root lie between 1 and 1.5. Part C is use iterator formula x n plus 1 equal to 2 minus 2 sine as 1 over x and with an initial value of 1.03 to calculate the root correct to the 2 decimal places, gave the result of each iteration to 4 decimal places. For question number 7, express 7 sin x plus 224 cos theta in the form of r cos of theta minus alpha where r greater than 0 and theta and 0 less than alpha, alpha less than pi by 2. Give the value of alpha correct to that 4 decimal places. Hence, solve the equations 7 sin x by 3 plus 24 cos x by 3 equal to 24.5. For 0 less than x less than equal x than pi. For the question number 8, the variable x and theta satisfy the differential equation sin 2 theta dx over d theta equal to 4x plus 3 into cos 2 theta and x equal to 0 when theta equal to pi by 12. Solve the differential equation and obtain an expression for x in terms of theta. For question number 9, with respect to the region O, the points A, B and C are given. O equal to 1 minus 4 2, OB equal to minus 2 1 3 and OC equal to 2 3 5. Find the vector equation for the line through A and B using the scalar product. Find the exact value of cos BAC, hence find the exact area of the triangle ABC. Question number 10, find the quotient and remainder when x is divided by 1 plus 4x square. Find the exact value of integral 0 to 0.5 x tan inverse 2x dx. For the question number 11, The diagram shows the graph of y equal to 5 sine 2x cos square x for 0 less than x less than equal to pi by 2 and its maximum point m. Find the exact x coordinate of m. For part B, by using the substitution x u equal to cos x, find the area of the region bounded by the curve, the x-axis between x equal to 0 and x equal to pi by 4 and the line x equal to pi by 4. How to access the solution of the remaining question? In order to access the solution of all the question, first step is open the website kingcambrysolution.com. The step one is open the website kingcambrysolution.com. The step two is click the login register link on the right top corner, and after that you will get the interface as you can see on the screen. Click on the sign up button. After clicking on the sign up button, you will get this interface. Providing the user interface, email address and password, and click on the sign up. You will be automatically log into the website, or you can log in manually by providing the email address and password. And after that, in the step 5, go to the course section. After login, go to the course section. When you click on the course list, you will find all the courses on the website. Like you can filter it according to your requirement, like paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4, and so on. So you can categorize, you can filter it by using the category section on the right top corner. After that, in the next one, if you want to buy the course of this P4, click on the preview course. After when you click on this, you will get this interface. Then after that, you will click on the add cart button, and after that, after adding to the cart, you click on the buy now button. When you click on the buy now button, you will get this interface. Fill in the stripe particulars, and after that click on the submit. When you click on the submit, you will log in your login section. Click on the order history. You will see the course you have bought, like this one. You have the course you have bought from the website. When you click on this course, you will get the interface from the course content section. You will see two icons. One is about the file icon, another is the icon about the video. When you click on the file icon, the file solution of the question will be downloaded, and when you click on the video icon, the solution of the question in the video form will be downloaded to your local. Best of luck. See you in the next question.